After isolation of the soap from this pen, that I have isolated them from piglets. Here now the general appearance of the pen without the soap, but only the piglets. So I need to clean the pen first, make sure that is more clean, and then I'll start training piglets on how to get water in the nipples. But at first I need to clean this algae first, and also to make sure that the environment in the pen is more clean. And also I'll be training them on how to get solid feeds. But here this is how they look like. Now at first they look like they are some of them, they are like they are stress, but others are stress free. But this is the first time, but we are trying to harden them off so that at the time that we will have a successful weaning, we will not impose them to significant problems. As like this. This is one of the terms of relieving that stress, that is having time with them, also providing the feeds in time. Apart from providing feeds in time, we should make sure that we minimize intruders and strangers in the pen, so that to keep them free from stress. Come.